Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication. Our first example problem is 237 times 199. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So whenever you see a problem like this, I want you to think of it as a bunch of separate single-digit multiplication problems where anytime our product, our answer is 10 or more, we regroup. So we always start in the ones place, so we're going to start out by multiplying 7 times 9. 7 times 9 equals 63. So the 3 in 63 is going to go in the ones place. The 6 in 63 is getting carried over to the tens place. Anytime our product is 10 or more, we will need to regroup. So next, we're going to multiply 3 times 9, and then we have to add the 6 that we carried over to our answer. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. So here we go. 3 times 9 equals 27. 27 plus 6 equals 33. Again, our product's more than 10, so again, we need to regroup. The 3 in 33 goes in the tens place. The other 3 in 33 gets carried over to the hundreds place. After I carry over the number, I like to cross it out. That way it's less confusing. So 2 times 9, we multiply that next. 2 times 9 equals 18. 18 plus 3 equals 21. So we have now multiplied the top 3 numbers times the bottom number in the ones place. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a 0 in the ones place, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied. And now we're doing our second round of multiplication, where we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since we're multiplying the same number, it's kind of going to be the same thing. 7 times 9 equals 63. 3 carry the 6. 3 times 9 equals 27. 27 plus 6 equals 33. 3 carry the 3. 2 times 9 equals 18. 18 plus 3 equals 21. So now the final step is we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place. That's the final round of multiplication. But before our final round, we have to put a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place, since both numbers in the ones and tens place have been multiplied. So now we're ready for our final round of multiplication. Now, anytime you multiply a number times 1, it equals the number itself. So this is actually the easiest round of the 3. 7 times 1 equals 7. Because anytime you multiply a number times 1, the number will stay the same. It's always the number itself. 3 times 1 equals 3. Notice I did not need to regroup in either of these because the product was less than 10. We only regroup if the product is 10 or more. 2 times 1 equals 2. 7 times 1 equals 7. 3 times 1 equals 3. 2 times 1 equals 2. Now the final step is we have to add these 3 numbers together to get our final answer. So 3 plus 0 plus 0 equals 3. 3 plus 3 plus 0 equals 6. Always good to recheck and take your time. 3 plus 0 plus 0 equals 3. 3 plus 3 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Plus 7 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. One plus 2 equals 3. Plus 1 equals 4. Plus 3 equals 7. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And we have our final answer. 237 times 199 equals 47,163. All right, we are moving on to the next example problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. I appreciate you. And if you have not already, please subscribe. So our next example problem is 497 times 232. So again, we start in the ones place. 7 times 2 equals 14. So the 4 and 14 goes in the ones place. The 1 and 14 gets carried over to the tens place. Next, we multiply 9 times 2. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 plus 1 equals 19. Again, we have to regroup. We regroup anytime the product is 10 or more. So the 9 and 19 is in the tens place. The 1 and 19 gets carried over to the hundreds place. Four times 2 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. Now, so far, we've multiplied the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the ones place. Now, before we do our next round of multiplication, we have to put a 0 in the ones place, since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied. Next, we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. 7 times 3 equals 21. 1 carry the 2. Nine times 3 equals 27, plus 2 equals 29. 9 carry the 2. Four times 3 equals 12, plus 2 equals 14. All right, moving on to the final round of multiplication. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit that like button. Before we move on to the final round, very important step, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place, because both numbers in the ones and tens place have been multiplied. So now we multiply 7 times 2. 7 times 2 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 9 times 2 equals 18, plus 1 equals 19. 9 carry the 1. 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. Now the final step is we need to add these 3 numbers together. Four plus 0 equals 4. 9 plus 1 plus 0 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Plus 4 equals 22. We have to add the one that we carried over also. That makes it 23. 3 carry the 2. 4 plus 9 equals 13, plus 2 equals 15. 5, carry the 1. One plus 1 equals 2, plus 9 equals 11. And we have our final answer. 497 times 232 equals 115,304. And that concludes my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will try to do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.